I was saying I was helping my friend. She was shocking by her taps, so I put like a earthing system and joined it to the taps and added the earthing system for the house. And I removed DC wires from like for the alarm system and stuff like that, like from the power cables. I don't really know. Like people, like in general, talk like we call it double sinnig, like what they say and what they mean. And if you confront somebody like, why do you mean that? Then they can be very offended, like because you picked that up, you know. So yeah, I ask myself like multiple times every single day, like what, like with my dog, like where he is he okay, like I know I might feel different like in 10 years or 20 years, but I think him specifically, like I'll make a mission to find him. So my mom always taught me like not really of heaven and hell, but like it's peace. And what I mentioned before of meeting some of my ancestors, like with LSD and stuff, it was also like extremely peaceful. It was like nothing threatening or was super peaceful. It's like we talked about stuff like we used to, and they told me it's going to be okay. So I don't know. I think it's more just peace. We shouldn't eat animals that didn't go peacefully. It's bad karma.